Hi friends, today we are learning about the fractions. In the last videos we covered the BODMAS rules. Okay, now let's see the fractions. In fractions we have four categories. Today in this video we will learn about the first two categories: addition, fraction additions and fraction subtractions. In the next video we will see about fraction multiplications and fraction divisions. Okay, let's start. Here we have 3 by 4 plus 5 by 2. So we have to add the two fractions here. Okay. So first here 4 and 2. Write the common multiples of 4 and 2. 4 have wait once. 4, 8, 12, 4 3 is 12, 4 is 16, 20 and so on. And for 2 we have to write now. For 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So here we had 4. Commonly we had first we have commonly had this 4. So now the LCM. We can also find it as LCM, least common multiple. So this is the least common multiple of 4 and 2. Like this also you can do like 4, 2, 2, 1, 2 2s, 2 1s. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So 2 2s are 4 is equal to 4. So here LCM is 4. Through this method or through this method also we can find it. Here now have 4 is the denominator, and now we have to declare this up one in the numerator. Okay. First of all, to find it, 4 1s are 4 and 1 into 3. We can also like this. 2 3s are 6. Like this, and multiply this 3 into 2 6 and 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5 20. So 6 plus 20 by 4. 6 plus 20 means 26 by 4. So we got 26 by 4. Now we can also cancel it like 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 13 by 2. Okay, the answer is 13 by 2. And this is the butterfly method we call it. What is that? Butterfly method. Next here, the second sum, we got the answer. I will highlight it as this slide. And now 8 and 2 common multiples we will write here. 8, 16, 24, and wait, I will write also those multiples. 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So here we had got 8, and in 8 and 2 there have common multiple 8. So we have 8 is the common multiple in the two tables. Okay. Here 8 is the denominator. 8. So you can also here in the butterfly method 9 into 2 multiplication and 8 into 7. So 9 into 2 is 18 plus 8 into 7 is 56. So 18 plus 56 is, let's add it, 56 plus 18, 14, 7. So 74 by 8. We can also cancel it. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, and 1 4 14, 7s are 14. So 37 by 4. If you don't want to cancel cancel, you can simply leave it as 74 by 8 only. Okay, but I am here cancelling also. No problems. We are cancel or not cancel also. Here now we had completed the additions. Additions are also the same. What we are butterfly method is very simple. Here we have to multiply this opponent and this opponent too, and then we have to add it, and the denominator we have to do like this or like this. Common multiples also we can do this like this, 4 by 2 is the LCM. And also for this also 8 by 2 we can do like this, 2 4s and 2 1s. So 2 4s are 8. So this in this method also we got 8 as the LCM, that means least common multiple, and for this also least common multiple is 8 only. Okay, so in two methods we can find it in the denominator of this, and like that only we will see this also. Subtraction is also same with the, for subtractions also butterfly method will applicable. So here 4 and 3. So 4 and 3 we have 4 multiples, right? 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, and 3 are multiples. 3 multiples, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So here we got 12 had matched. So for 3, 4 and 3, the least common multiple is 12. Okay, now the denominator is 12. And for up 1, 2 through butterfly method, 4 into 5 and 7 into 3. This is the butterfly method. Okay, so 7 into 3 or 3 into 7, anyone. 7 into 3 is 21. So 21 and minus. And next 4 into 5 means 4 5s are 20. Okay, here 21 minus 20 by 12. This is the answer. And now we have to subtraction this 21 minus 20. So 21 minus 20 is 1. 1 by 12 is the answer we got in this sum. Okay, it is very simple now if you understand. Here also very easy. I will repeat it. It's very clear to you all. Which I am not doing here this. Simply write here as 26 by 4. I am not cancelling and write it is as it is. 1874 by 8. That's all. Without cancellations also you can leave it. No problems. Okay. So here we cannot do cancellations. So now let's move on to the next one. So 4 and 6 we have to do. So 4 multiples, 4, 8, 16, 20, 24, and for 6 we have to do. Sorry, here I had missed one thing. This 4 3s are 12. 4 4 is 16, 20 and 24, so on. And for 6 I am writing here. So 6 we have to write 2 multiples, 2 denominators multiples, and we have to see the multiples which is the common multiple in 2 tables. So 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on. So here we got 12 as the common multiple in 2 tables. 12 is the common multiple. So here I am writing here 12 as the denominator. And now use the butterfly method. Butterfly. So 3 into 6. Wait, here very confusion we got. Alright. Once again 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. So here you got very clear. So here, first of all 3 into 6. First multiply this 2. 3 into 6 means 18. So here we want to multiply this 3 into 6 and 4 into 5. So 18 minus 20. So 18 minus 20 is minus 2 by 12. So here I am not cancelling this 2. I am leaving this like this only. So here minus 2 by 12. This is the integer sum in BODMAS rules. For everywhere we came also, we want also the integers. We want to know the integers topic also. Please check it. In our channel already uploaded it. So here we are, today in this video we have learned new that fraction subtractions and fraction additions. So here this method we use it here is butterfly method. Okay, and here I am taking all this like we are writing all multiples, the 4 multiple and the 2 denominators multiples, 4 multiples and 6 multiples I have written here, and I had seen which is the least common multiple. When we have in the denominator place big numbers like 28, 29, then in that time we have to do this multiplication, LCM, least common multiple method. Means suppose we have in the denominators 28 and 24. So then we have to do like this 28, 24 and 2 LCM. 2 1s, 2 4s and 2 1s, 2 2s. So 2 14s are 28, 2 12s are 24. So next 2 table, 2 7s are 14 and 2 6s are 12. Like this we have to do in the LCM method. This is the LCM method. Okay. So this is the multiple. We are writing multiples and we are seeing for 28 and 24. Like the big numbers we cannot do this 28 ones, 28, 28 twos, which number. So we have to count also. That is very big method. So that's why we had also the LCM. When we got in the denominators big numbers, we have to use this method. We got very simple small method. We can use this one. Okay. So in the next video we will discuss about the continuation of fractions, means multiplications and divisions. Until then, bye bye. Please subscribe our channel and like, share to friends and family members. Thank you.